Smart Tables supports the ability to import or export smart tables, which allows you to use outside sources of data or to use the results of a smart table outside of the Biopsych website. This functionality can be a very powerful tool for analyzing data not present in Biopsych, or to use your own software to do further examination and manipulation of a smart table's data. To import a file, we can use the Import from Uploaded File option. We'll take a look at the text file first. And this is simply a list of E. coli genes, one per line. To create a new smart table, we go to the Operations menu and select New Smart Table from Uploaded File. That prompts a dialog which lets us specify the file and a few parameters. The Try to Make Objects option will attempt to match entries in the file to objects in Biopsych. This option should be selected by default. We can then specify that we want our data to be recognized as genes by selecting the gene choice. The matching of genes against Biopsych makes use of the common name, synonyms, and unique identifiers stored in the Biopsych gene objects, plus the identifiers used in any database links stored in the Biopsych genes. If we look again at our imported file, you can see that the first line is genes. If we select the first line as column headers option, this will name the column in our group genes. If our data did not have such a header, we could leave this option off. We'll click Upload and Create Smart Table. The new smart table is now created. Let's do the same thing for a set of compounds, but this time our file will also be more complex. Each line will still represent a row in the smart table that is created. But in addition to that, each tab that is encountered will represent a divider that tells the upload tool where a new column should begin. The first column will be a set of compounds, and the second column will contain other text representing each compound's chemical formula. This time, we will select the compound choice. Let's click Upload and Create Smart Table, and now our new smart table of compounds is made. If we look at the smart table, we can see that one of the compound names, mannitol D-glycerate, doesn't look the same. This means that no compound could be found in our currently selected organism that directly matches this entry. Let's delete that row by using the checkbox next to the row and using the Delete Checked Rows menu. In addition to uploading a file using the new Smart Table from Uploaded File menu, a new group of replicon regions can also be created from replicon coordinates in a file using the Smart Table from File of Replicon Coordinates menu. The menu describes how the replicon coordinates file should be created. The file is a tab-delimited file containing replicon names and start positions, as well as optional fields for end positions and name labels for each region. If end positions were omitted, the region is assumed to be one nucleotide long. To find replicon names for the currently selected organism, view the organism summary page. In the case of EcoPsych, there's only one replicon, which is just named chromosome. We have a file containing replicon coordinates here. You can see replicon names, start and end positions for each region. Note that start positions have a larger value than end positions to represent a region that has a reverse direction. Let's upload the file now. And now we have a smart table of replicon regions. In the first column, we can see each region contains the replicon it's part of, as well as the start and end positions. One method of exporting a smart table is to export it to a spreadsheet. Once we have a smart tables page open, we can export it to a spreadsheet through the Operations menu by clicking the Export to Spreadsheet File menu option. The file then downloads to your computer, which you can then open. There it is. You can open it in Excel or other spreadsheet software. If a smart table contains a column of sequences that are compatible with the FASTA format, such as nucleic acid or amino acid sequences, the sequences can be exported in this format using the Export to FASTA File menu. Let's open a smart table with a genes column and get the sequences using the DNA sequences property. The first column in our smart table will be the name labels in our exported file, and the currently selected column will be the sequences. Let's select the sequences column and then perform the FASTA export via the to FASTA file menu.